Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from Agrimet Research Company, and today I'm going to show you how to use nested if function in Excel. So first of all, this nested means that you want to combine some different and separate functions into one. So that's it, and here you can see I have two columns. One of them is precipitation values and the other one is my labels. So I want to label these precipitation values some specific word. Here I want to say that if, I select that if this cell is bigger than, for example, 20 comma quotations, label that too small, for example, amount. Okay, let me first define that. If it's 0, if it's 0, then label it as dry. So then comma, again if, again this one is bigger than 20, label it with, I don't know, for example, small amount, close the quotations, and another comma, and then if. Again is, I don't know, bigger than, in my ranges, 100, then comma quotations, label it as average, amount, and then comma if, again it's bigger than 150, for example, comma quotations, label it as huge amount. Okay, so then here you want to close all these parentheses, but before that you also want a value, a label for if this is not the case, if the value does not match with any of these criteria. In that case I say I don't know, label it as wets, for example. Okay, open quotations, wets, and that's it. And now I want to close all the parentheses. You can see that each of them that I close, it bolds them. Okay, so I close another one and the end, and that's it. You can see that it correctly labels all of these values for me. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to Agrimet channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.